In this practice, we will open up a project file and view each of the various areas in the interface. We will investigate elements, commands, and their options. We will also open views through the project browser and view the model in 3D. If you are on the home page, click Open in the Models area of the slider bar. In the Open dialog box, navigate to the practice file folders and select Structural Suite. Click Open. The 3D view of the building opens in the View window. Note, if the project browser and properties palette are docked over each other, use the project browser tab at the bottom to display it. In the project browser, double-click on the structural plan ground floor view. It opens a plan with the visual styles set to wireframes so that the footings and foundation walls display, although there is a slab over them. In the View control bar, change the visual style to Hidden Line. The lines that are hidden in the view displays as dashed lines. In the project browser, double-click on the structural plan top of footing view. The strip footing and spread footing displays as continuous lines because they are not obscured by the slab. Zoom in on one corner of the building. The foundation walls are filled with the appropriate concrete hatch. Double-click the mouse wheel or type ZE to zoom to the extent of the view. Typing ZA zooms to the extent of all of the open view windows. Find the section marker that extends vertically along the model. Double-click on the section head to open the North-South section view. In the project browser, navigate to the Section Building Section category. The North-South section view name is bold. You can navigate through the model by double-clicking on the element in the project browser or by using the graphical view elements in the model. In the section view, zoom in on the area in which the callout has been placed. Double-click on the callout head to open the typical edge detail view. Toggle on and off thin lines to see the different line weights. In the typical edge detail view, select the floor. This is a full 3D floor element. You can edit it by using the standard Modify tools and the concrete floor specific tools found in the Modify Floors contextual tab. The Properties palette displays the instant parameters for the element. Note that any changes made here are applied to the selected element only. In Properties, click Edit Type to access the type parameters in the Type Properties dialog box. Note any changes made to the element here are applied to all of its other instances in the project. Click Cancel to close the Type Properties dialog box. End the command by using any one of the following. In any tab on the ribbon, click Modify. Press Escape once or twice to revert to Modify. Right-click and select Cancel once or twice, or start another command. Select one of the bolted connections. This is a detail component, 2D element. The Modify Detail Items contextual tab displays the modifying options specific to this element. Click Modify. At the top of the view, click each tab to switch between the open views. In the View tab window panel, click Tile Views. All of the open views are tiled. Type ZA for Zoom All to zoom out of the extent of each view. Click inside the 3D view to make it active. In the View tab panel, click Tab Views. The views return to the tab and the 3D view is the first in the group. In the Quick Access toolbar, click Close Inactive Views so that only the current window remains open. Using the mouse wheel, zoom in on the building. Press and hold Shift and then press and hold the wheel on the mouse. Move the mouse to dynamically view the 3D model. You can also navigate into 3D using the View cube in the upper right corner of the view. Expand the File tab and click Close to exit the project.